Matt. Welcome to Taco Potato Mustang. Real quick, just going to show something I'm doing on the Dude Stang. I'm sure anybody who has a Coyote Mustang has probably had to deal with this before, but basically this insert, so you can see there's one right here. This is on the driver's side. The one on the passenger side, I don't have a light. Anyways, it fell out and I just need to loosen the front lip on the bumper and get this put back up in there. I actually had to do the driver's side probably a month or two ago, but I actually noticed that a stick had like jumped up from the road and like hit it, knocked it out. The good thing is that because the other part of this plastic shield at least stays in there, so you can get it fitted. So I'm gonna get this done and then share some updates on the Fox body. The most annoying thing about doing this is that you have to take out the entire bottom, whatever it's called, the shroud, like thing that protects the engine or radiator or whatever. I don't know, I can't remember what it's called. Okay, now I just got to get the insert back in. Looks like I got it in there, fairly sturdy. It just goes on some clips that you can see on the back when you're looking at the insert. Okay. Small victories. Fixing things as they break. Okay, so I got the bumper insert sorted yesterday, and then I went for a drive today, and it appears to still be intact. So hopefully I don't have to deal with those again anytime soon. And in other news, one thing I wanted to share is that I had something that arrived, sort of a Christmas gift to myself. I got a new short throw shifter for the Fox body. This is an SVE shifter, which is, I guess, like the LMR kind of house brand, and this is the shift stick. So I got this one because I was thinking about getting the Steeda, but I already have the Steeda shifter handle, which is just replaces this part here. So I figure, and there didn't seem to be any way to order just the shifter without the handle. So I figure it'd be better to have two different shifter handle options, this one and the Steeda, because I'm assuming that I can get the Steeda to work with the SVE shifter. And also this one was slightly more highly rated and like $30 cheaper. So I'm going to give it a try. The thing is, I would install it right now, but I also ordered the gasket and the little cup that that this ball goes into. So I figured I'd replace those parts while I do the shifter. So hopefully those will be here in the next couple of days, and then I can get that installed. And then also I do want to say to the folks that left comments on my last video, I appreciate your input a lot. There was some pretty good feedback, pretty good comments. I think one thing I really liked is that somebody had suggested picking an element or a part of or system of the car and focusing on just upgrading all of that. So I like that a lot. I think the cooling system, since I'm already going to go ahead and replace the hoses for the radiator, I think I might also go ahead and order a water pump and anything else that needs to go with that, so I can maybe do that all around the same time. The radiator, as far as I know, was upgraded by a previous owner. It's an SVE radiator. I don't know if that's because it was it needed to be replaced or whatever. But I think I'll focus on the cooling system and then start focusing on the oil leaks, which it seems like I'll probably start with the valve cover gaskets because I have the parts, and it seems as though it's fairly easy. Well, I shouldn't say easy, but it seems fairly straightforward. And then the I guess since I have to take the upper intake manifold off, I will probably replace the gasket. I think there's a gasket that goes between the upper and lower intake manifold. And I do have to drain the coolant anyway, so it seems like it makes sense to do those gaskets when I do the cooling system. Let's see what else. I have to look at the comments again. Okay, so unfortunately, the parts that I ordered to do the shifter install have not arrived yet. And it looks like they're not going to be here until the first, or I think the second. So yeah, that was the shift boot hardware kit and gaskets and the shifter bushing. So I'm going to replace all those when I do the SVE short throw shifter. But also another update, I think I've sort of decided that I want to go with that plan on addressing one element or one area at a time, at least to start. I think I'm still working on my plan, and I probably got to get a whiteboard so we can document that process. But I went ahead and ordered a new water pump and the hardware kit for it. So hopefully those will be here sometime next week. And I think the tentative path forward is to replace the radiator hoses, replace the water pump, and install. I have a new thermostat somewhere that I ordered a while ago, and basically get the cooling system all kind of sorted. And then from there, I will probably start piecing together what I'm going to do as far as replacing the rear main seal and, of course, the clutch and all that. So that's the tentative path forward. But still got to do some planning. And, if you have any thoughts on that, feel free to leave a comment. So not a lot of progress this week, but again, it's planning, it's brainstorming, it's consulting the Fox Body Hive Mind. So yeah, anyways, keep an eye out. Hopefully I'll have some actual concrete progress coming up soon. And thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel and you like my video, please hit subscribe, and keep an eye out for more on the Fox Body Mustang project. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're staying healthy. Peace out.